Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about neutralization reaction. So what is neutralization reaction? A neutralization reaction can be defined as a chemical reaction in which an acid and a base quantitatively react together to form a salt and water as product. Basically, H plus and OH minus ions when combined together, they will form salt and water. HCl plus NaOH, it will give rise to NaCl plus H2O. H2O is water, NaCl is nothing but salt. So acid and base when react together, it will form salt and water. So here you can see H plus and OH ions as in the picture. Neutralization reaction example: whenever hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide when reacts, it will form NaCl plus H2O. So titration methods using phenolphthalein. So here we are having certain method to test whether it is an acid or a base form. Let us see the applications of neutralization reaction titration method. The method of chemical titration is employed to find unknown concentration of acid or bases by finding the neutralization point. So in this we are finding how much the pH value is there by using pH indicator or pH model. Okay, wastewater treatment. So most of the waste that comes in the form of industrial effluents have the fair share of toxicity which will harmful to our environment. Thus, we need to neutralize the toxicity before they can be thrown out. So for this also we are using this neutralization method. Nanomaterial synthesis. To facilitate the chemical reduction of metal precursors, the heat of the neutralization reaction is used. In our digestive system, the most important which we use daily in our life, milk of magnesia, generally which we'll use to neutralize the acid which will be produced in our stomach. So it is nothing but it is like a base form which is used to remove antacid. It is nothing but an antacid, you can say. Okay, next is controlling soil pH. For formal optical plant growth in any soil, there are certain conditions which can be required, right? So here also we are using, for controlling the pH of the soil, we are using calcium carbonate and calcium hydroxide. Usually we'll say it as limestone and slake lime. So these are all nothing but the application of neutralization reaction. So what is neutralization reaction? Neutralization is a type of chemical reaction in which acid reacts with a base to form salt and water. HCl plus NaOH, it will form NaCl plus H2O. What is milk of magnesia? It is a base which is used as an antacid. Okay, let us recall few of the terms which we have learned before. What is an acid? An acid is a substance which dissociate when dissolved into water to release hydrogen ions. Okay. What is a base then? A base is a substance which dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ions, means OH ions. Okay, NaOH, it will form Na plus plus OH minus. Next, what is a pH scale? pH of a solution is the negative logarithm to the base 10 to the of the hydrogen ion concentration expressed in mole per liter. Okay, so if pH is equals to 7, it is neutral. Okay, if pH is less than 7, it is acidic. If pH is more than 7, it is basic. Let us see the indicators which you have already learned. An indicator is nothing but it will tell us whether the substance is acid or basic in nature. Okay, and the common indicators are litmus, blue litmus, red litmus paper, okay, methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Okay, these are nothing but the common indicators. Next, reaction of acid and bases with metals. Whenever acid reacts with metal, it will produce salt by displacing hydrogen. For example, zinc when reacts with sulfuric acid, it will form zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, similarly, when zinc plus sodium hydroxide is reacting, it is forming sodium zincate with the release of hydrogen gas. Next, reaction of metal carbonates and bicarbonates with acid. So whenever acid is reacting with metal carbonates or bicarbonates, it will form salt and water with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. So Na2CO3 plus 2 HCl, it will form to an NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. Neutralization reaction, as we have already know that whenever acid reacts with base, it will form salt and water. Reaction of metallic oxides with acid. So whenever metallic oxide is reacting with acid, it is forming salt and water. Okay, so CuO plus 2 HCl, it is forming CuCl2 plus H2O, means CuCl2 is nothing but copper chloride. Reaction of non-metallic oxides with base. Whenever non-metallic oxides is reacting with base, it is forming salt and water. CaOH2 plus CO2, it will forming CaCO3 plus H2O. Let us see common salt. What is a common salt? Common salt is nothing but sodium chloride. NaCl, we call it as a sodium chloride. So common salt is a neutral salt and can be prepared in the laboratory by the reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. When these two will react, it will form common salt. Okay. So it is important raw material for products for our daily use, what we use in our house, right? Next is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, how it is prepared? It is prepared by the electrolysis of an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. The process is called chloroalkali process because of the products formed. Chlor means chlorine and alkali means sodium hydroxide. So 2 NaCl plus 2 H2O, it is forming 2 NaOH H2 plus Cl2, as you can see in the picture. Next is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is manufactured from chlorine gas CaOH2 plus Cl2. It is forming CaOCl2 plus H2O. Okay, it is represented as CaOCl2. The uses of bleaching powder are for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, and for the bleaching wood pulp in the paper industry. It is also used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. Okay, next is baking soda. Baking soda, the chemical formula for baking soda is NaHCO3. So it is produced on large scales by treating a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride, okay, with ammonia and carbon dioxide. So here we are using ammonia and carbon dioxide and sodium chloride, by using all this we are forming what? Baking soda. Okay. What are the uses of baking soda? It is used as anti-acid to treat acidity of the stomach. It is used to make baking powder, which is used in preparation of cakes and bread. It is also used in soda acid-free fire extinguishers. Next is washing soda. The formula for washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. The uses of washing soda is it is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is employed in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Let us see water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is nothing but water molecules which form a part of the structure of a crystal are called the water of crystallization. The salts which contain water of crystallization, we call it as a hydrated salt. Every hydrated salt has a fixed number of molecules of crystallization in its one formula unit. Next is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum at 373 kelvins. On heating, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate semihydrate, which is called plaster of Paris. The formula for that CaSO4 into 2H2O, when heating it is forming CaSO4 plus half H2O plus 1.5 H2O. So this is nothing but a plaster of Paris. Its uses as it is used in hospital as plaster for supporting fractured bones and is used as fireproofing material. Thank you for watching.